Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have Decor Steals Winter, the Steal It Box Winter 2021. I never know if I'm gonna get the box for them. So the first box, they contacted me and said, hey, do you wanna unbox it? And I was like, of course I do. You can see that one up here. I wasn't the biggest fan. The second box, I said, can I have another one? And they said, no, sorry. So I ordered it and had to wait for forever for it to come in. Got it. It was much better, but it also did have a $25 price increase. You can see that one up here. So this is my third box. The price did not increase again. It is the same price for the Decor Steals Steal It Box Winter as it was for fall at $124.99. $5 shipping in the 48 contiguous states. And then it is a non-reoccurring subscription, which I know a lot of people are like, yes, I love that. The problem with that is they can increase the price whatever they want, which they already did once. So there's a give and take in all things. To get the Steal It box, you do have to just go in every single season and order it. But you can see all the spoilers first before ordering it, which is a luxury, which is what we're gonna do here. So I am fully spoiling this box. If you don't wanna see what's inside, you're gonna wanna skip to another video. Let me make a recommendation for you. Why don't you go check this one out right here. So inside this box are 7 full-size, seasonally inspired, on-trend, versatile items. I have seen 0 spoilers. I have looked at nothing. This box is 100% a surprise for me. I think the outside of this box is stinking cute. Yep, the phrase is already here. I love it. Like, I think it's so cute, so pretty, so on theme. I love that it's got like maybe even hints as to what's in the box. That's what I've been curious about. This thing is very heavy. So we're gonna slide it down here. I bought this super cute little fuzzy stool that you'll absolutely never get to see because I wanted it to look so good in my office. Nobody even sees it. It's just so funny down here. Okay, on top it says, when you're ready to show it off, it tells you how to tag them, how to hashtag them, all that stuff. I'm not strong enough to lift the box. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. On top is the little envelope that usually has information about the box. Oh, this is the same pattern that's on the outside of the box. Holiday gift tags. Okay, very well done. That is very, very cute. I thought it was gonna have the little, it's like usually it's one sheet, maybe it's in there somewhere, that talks about the items in the box and the QR code. Let's see if it's in here somewhere. They do not send a style booklet. They usually send a postcard with the QR code. You scan the QR code, then you can see more about the box. Oh, I wonder if we didn't get it. How funny. I just see a bunch of boxes in here. Maybe it sunk to the bottom. Greenery. So if you watched the first unboxing, they sent an olive tree and the quality was terrible. Like the leaves were bad. I mean, it was so bad. I was like, well, maybe I'll put it on my outdoor patio. Like, who cares? Couldn't even look at it out there, so I decided to get rid of it. So let's see if this quality of greenery is any better. Woo, messy. But anything with Christmas stuff is always messy. Pine needles, clearly even fake pine needles. Okay, so hold on. It has a battery pack back here. It looks like, dadgummit, I wish I had the QR code. Let me see real quick if I can just Google and find it. Hold on. Okay, I tried to Google and I couldn't find it, so I just emailed my point of contact up at Decor Steals to see if she can hook us up. Because it looks like this is a wreath. I don't know if it's an indoor or an outdoor, and that's what I was hoping she was gonna be able to tell me. Because the quality, if it's an outdoor wreath, is amazing. It's very plasticky, very durable, and it has this battery pack which shows that it's lit. I'm gonna see if my husband can bring us some batteries in just a second so that we can light this up. But if this is an outdoor wreath, it's great. If this is an indoor wreath, it is very far from great. Even outdoors, I would hang it in a manner, probably gonna hang it on my chicken coop to be real honest, that people only look at it from a distance because the quality is cheap and the way the Christmas lights are wired are like literally on top, like it's super, super exposed. So let me run and grab some batteries real quick. Okay, Jonathan brought us 3 AA's, so let's see what we got here. So I put the 3 AA's in and then it literally, it's a big old box. You just close this box and you push down like that. 1, okay. How How cute. Okay. I love this to hang on my chicken coop. It would look good on a patio. I wonder if it's bright enough. I can see, like, would it look cute from a distance? Is the lights bright enough? I definitely know that I don't want an up close look at this wreath. Let's see how big it is. Oh, I should have got my tape measure out before this box. Ooh. The actual back of the wreath is 16 inches, but with the greenery, it spans about 24 inches. So it's a good size, very good size. I'm actually, the more I'm sitting here, the more excited I'm getting about designing the concept for my chicken coop based around this. Also, just because I'm picky. Can y'all see that they used a white zip tie to attach the battery pack? Like, zip ties come in all sorts of colors. They could have done green, black, brown, gray, and you would not be able to see it from the front, but you can see it right there from the front. And the greenery here is kind of wired loosely. So like, I'm trying to move it to cover it. But I mean, why not just use a more covering color? That's very interesting to me, this missing attention to detail. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. All right. There's a bunch of boxes in here. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if they all contain product, but there's 6 boxes in here. Grabbing the one straight out of the center. I think it's a blanket. I think it's a blanket. I hope it's a blanket. This is so cute, you guys. It's soft, not like extremely chenille soft, but it's very soft. It's got poms. I love poms. I love tassels. The color is gorgeous. It's a very buttery cream color. Care and maintenance. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. It is easily washable, which is such a big thing, you guys. These blankets come in and they can be as gorgeous as you want them to be. But if you can't wash them, it's like, what do you do with them in the end of the day? So let's see how big it is. Okay, it is still folded in half long way. So it is a very large blanket. It is not real heavy. It's very thin, in fact, which, I mean, I live here in Texas, so that is like the ideal winter blanket. This is fabulous. So I'm decorating my patio. Once again, I don't know if these are outdoor things. I definitely will only use that outdoor, and I think it's gonna be chic there. This would be so cute on my brand new outdoor couch. I'm kind of creating a pretty cool little patio setup. Ooh, this sucker's heavy. What is in here? Oh my gosh, these are so heavy. This is so cute. It is a reindeer, but it's made of iron, and it's very like a welded rustic look. It's very, very cute. It's like perfectly imperfect. And here's a second reindeer. Gosh, I hate styrofoam. I know it's necessary evil, right? Because they've got to be able to pack these things safely, but look. So there are 2 of them, a big one and a small one. They are both the same color. So the tallest one is a little over 10 inches tall and about 6 inches long. The shorter one is just shy of 9 inches tall. These are fabulous. And once again, this patio design I'm doing in my head, these would look so cute on that patio design. And I have to say, these colors together are fabulous. Now on the first box, a lot of the problem, well, was the quality. The quality wasn't there. They dramatically changed that. It also wasn't my style. On this second box, I have to also say, although the quality was better, it still wasn't all my style. This is very, very much my style, which makes the box so much more exciting. And that's the thing with all of these home decor boxes. Sure, quality issues or bad value can ruin a box, but you just have to make sure that when you're looking at a box and choosing the box for you, you're considering what is best for your style. What is in this guy? Is it a lantern? I think it's a lantern, but it looks like, oh, it's made of wood. It's a wood lantern. So it actually says on the bottom, you can burn a real candle Do not allow candle to burn lower than 1 inch from the base. Make sure the candle's in the center and never leave it unattended. It has vents at the top. I don't know if you guys can see under the handle for the heat and smoke or whatever to come out. Then it actually has a base down here for the candle to sit in. I'm guessing it's painted in a manner that allows for fire to be inside of it. This is pretty cool because most of the time when we pick up lanterns like this from like at home store or Hobby Lobby, it very clearly says, do not put a real candle in here. But this is clearly stating that a real candle can go inside. It also is wood and it's painted. So once again, I think it's gonna go great on my patio. It can be outdoors. These guys definitely can. And once again, the colors look super good together. This is really cool. I'm gonna set this guy inside here so we have some space. Well, it looks like I have 3 more boxes. Oh, something with instructions. Last time we had the wood tray had instructions. I'm not gonna look because I want to see this first. Ugh, trying to figure out how to cut this so I don't scrape down the styrofoam is. All right, man up, just do it. Not only is the sound awful, it makes a huge mess if you cut the styrofoam accidentally. Okay, before I touch it, you guys gotta see this. Can you see that? So it looks like pieces to a village, maybe? Okay, hold on. Whoa, this is a lot of pieces, you guys. I want to assemble this with you, but I'm wondering if we've got enough time. I may start the assembly, pause the video, then come back to it, because this is a whole lot of pieces. Oh gosh, maybe I should not take everything out. It has lights, it has walls. So this is what each of the pieces look like, these little cutouts. I'm super intrigued. There's 3 different configurations, so you can choose how you want to set up this village. Here are the 3 different options. So basically, you can design based on your table shape or your shelf shape, like where you want to put this, how you want it to look. And then it says you can configure it 3 different ways, and you can landscape it different ways. So here are options on how to landscape the different setups. So it has the front and back parts of the house, the roofs and the sides for the house, lights to go in between, and then all the connector pieces. Oh my gosh. My kids are gonna have so much fun doing this. Okay, so it looks like, what I was curious is, these are the exact same. So like, these 2 are the exact same, like houses and trees. These 3 are the exact same houses and trees. And then they have these pieces right here. Y'all see this little bitty guy right there on my hand? That you can use to connect the corners. So this goes down here. I need a bigger desk for this. I thought I cleared myself enough space. So can y'all see in the middle how I connected that using that little connector piece? So that's one of the options and the ways that you can connect it. And then look, it holds it, it self-holds by using the leverage. And you just use these connector pieces in the different shapes and the different houses to connect. And so like easily, like you could set it up for one design, and then your kids could take it apart and set it up for a different design, and they could take it apart and set it for a different design. I think this is gonna end up being one of the things my kids love to play with. If I can, I will grab some B-roll of us putting it together or playing with it. I'm hoping I can do that before the release of the video. Okay. How random yet wonderful is that little house? There's 2 of these little bitty boxes in there. Let's see what these guys are. Oh, it's a picture frame. Interesting that they're introducing gold at this point, but I do gold in my home, so I'm not offended by this, but it is interesting to throw that color in. And it says, all I want for Christmas is you, and it has the pattern from the box on it, but it does open right here on the side. So you can remove and put whatever you want inside there. See, I'm gonna leave this. I think this is really cute. Let me slide it back on its back. You just set it in and you close it. Here we go. So I'm wondering if it's a set of 2. That's what's in the other box. beads. Isn't it funny how trendy beads are? Comment below if you are into beads. We've talked about tassels and a lot of you guys are with me and loving the tassels, but what are your thoughts on beads? Because they're so trendy right now. So we've got a set of beads that match this blanket beautifully. So here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with this house. It's a multiple piece. And then we have the holiday gift cards. The beads are, let's see here, including the tassels. You like this super official? 6 foot. 6 foot set of beads. So it's a long set of beads. That's longer than my mantle. My mantle is just shy at 5 foot. So there we go, including tassels, is a 6 foot bead. The lantern over here is, not including the handle, is 11 inches tall, including the handle, 14 inches tall, and 6.5 square. So it's a good size lantern. All in all, the value is all the way there. At $124.99, this is definitely a great bang for your value. I think the design and the cohesiveness on this box is the best I've seen yet. This is definitely the best quality we've had out of all of the boxes yet. The gold frame runs a little rogue for me because, like, I know it's trendy. I know these are all trendy colors, but it just kind of popped up out of nowhere and it doesn't seem to go with the flow. But I happen to have golds in my home, so that will not be hard for me to incorporate that. But if for you guys who don't, that might be a little rogue. And I can't wait to put the village together. That's gonna be super fun. I just checked my email and I have not heard back from Decor Steals on the QR code for the online booklet. So I will confirm all that and put a pop-up on the video here if I find out if these things are confirmed to be outdoors or not. To sign up to get a Decor Steals box, just go down below, grab the URL and sign up. I do not have a coupon code as of right now. I've never seen a coupon code distributed. Maybe at the end of the season when they're trying to get rid of leftover box, I think coupon codes might pop up then. But at the beginning of the season, I have yet to be able to get one for you guys. So just go down below and sign up. If you have any questions, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts on the Decor Steals box, especially if you've had one of the past boxes. Let me know what you're thinking. I hope that you guys have a very happy winter, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.